Dear students, welcome back to my class. Students, we have completed the explanation of the second part of the third chapter of your English textbook, First Flight. Second part of the third chapter name is The Black Aeroplane. We have done the explanation para-wise para, and I hope you have understood the chapter very well. If you have any queries, you can ask me, or you can leave your queries in the comment box, or you can WhatsApp me. Feel free to talk to me about any queries related to the chapter. Students, now we will discuss about its question answers. So let's discuss about the question answers. The first question says, I'll take the risk. What is the risk? Why does the narrator take it? So students, I think the risk here refers to not doing the right thing, which is flying back to Paris when he came to know about the storm. Despite being aware of the bad weather, the pilot headed straight into the storm and risked the lives of his fellow passengers. The pilot's decision making was clouded by his wish to meet his family. I think he was so desperately wanted to be with his family and have that English breakfast he had been dreaming of all day, that he took the risk of not going back. That was the risk. And why does he do that? I have told you the risk was that not going back to the Paris control tower, and he just went into the storm, and he risked his life as well as the lives of the fellow passengers also. And why does he do that? He did that because he wanted to meet his family. He was all the day he was dreaming about meeting his family, spending holidays and having that big heavy breakfast, English breakfast. So that he decided to go through the storm. That was the risk. And why does he take? I have told you. I think this could be the answer, and this is the answer, I would say. Next question is, describe the narrator's experience as he flew the aeroplane into the storm. So the experience of narrator, we have to tell in this question that when he went inside the storm, and then what did he feel, what did he experience? The narrator was frightened, scared, terrified as he lost control of the plane. He felt helpless as the compass and other instrument had stopped working. They were dead due to the bad weather. Nothing outside the aeroplane was visible. He was not able to see anything outside the aeroplane when suddenly, and he thought that he was lost. Suddenly, in the midst of nowhere, out of nowhere, an unknown plane was visible, and the pilot was eager to help him. The narrator was panicking because there was very less fuel left, but somehow he managed to escape the storm with the help of the strange black aeroplane and its pilot, who he could not thank. So these were the things the narrators or the authors experienced when he took the aeroplane into the storm. I think this you could write. Now the third question, students. The third question is, why does the narrator say, I landed and was not sorry to walk away from the old Dakota? Well, narrator had landed at an unknown place. He did not know that where did he land, which city or which airport it was, and he landed at an unknown place as his compass and radar had stopped functioning in the storm. He did not know where did he land. He was not scared to leave the plane unattended and go to the control center to inquire about the mysterious plane which had helped him out of the storm. He wanted to know about the strange black aeroplane who came out of nowhere and guided him towards the runway, towards the airport, and he saved him. But when he wanted to thank him, he just didn't see him or the aeroplane. It was totally disappeared. He could see nothing except the empty sky. So he just landed and he just left his aeroplane there, and he went into the control center and asked the lady, and he wanted to know about that strange aeroplane and its pilot, and he wanted to thank him. That's why. Next question: what made the woman in the control center look at the narrator strangely? Well, when the narrator landed and asked the woman that who was the other aeroplane and who was the pilot who was flying that another strange black aeroplane, the woman in the control center looked at the narrator strangely when he asked all these things, all asked about the other pilot that helped him escape the storm. This is because why did she looked at him strangely? Because except his aeroplane, there was no other plane in the sky during such bad weather, such bad storm. So that's why when he asked about the other aeroplane, the woman in the control center looked at the narrator strangely. That is the reason. Now the fifth and the last question of the textbook is why do you think who do you think helped the narrator in reach safely? Discuss this among yourselves and give reasons for your answer. Well, who do you think helped the narrator in reach safely? It was the pilot's own conscience which helped him out of the storm. There was no other plane out on that stormy night. So probably he was hallucinating, means he was having a hallucination, means भ्रम सा हुआ उसको कि somebody came and some other aeroplane came and there was a pilot sitting in that aeroplane. There was no light on its wing, and it was his own capability. So and he thought that because he was hallucinating, he was just उसको एक भ्रम हुआ कि कोई दूसरा एरोप्लेन आ गया, उसमें पायलट है और वो मुझे हेल्प कर रहा है और उसने मुझे रनवे तक पहुंचा दिया. बट इन फैक्ट it was his own capability, it was his own ability as a pilot which led him out of that black cloud, because there was no other plane out there to help him on that stormy night. So it was just his hallucination. He was thinking about that there was another plane pilot in that, and he helped him, he guided him, he followed another black strange aeroplane and he followed him, and he, because of that another strange aeroplane, he was saved. No, it was his own capability, ability, skills as a pilot which led him to reach to the airport and landed safely. And it was his own ability as pilot which led him to come out of that black cloud or that storm. Another answers can be many people or many students can say that it was God who helped him. God came in form of the black strange aeroplane and in the pilot, and it was disappeared after showing the author to the way to the runway, and when he landed it was disappeared. But I think it was just his thinking, his imagination, his hallucination, भ्रम हो रहा था और nothing else. And so reasons, students, you have to give reason if you say that it. Why I think that it was his skill as a pilot who helped him to reach to the runway and he landed there safely. So it is my view. You can give your reasons. If you say that no, it was somebody else, it was the black strange aeroplane wasn't real, and it was God who came in that form and then disappeared, then you have to give reason. So this was the discussion of the question answers. I hope all the questions and answers we have discussed and all questions are clear in your mind. You can answer any question related to the chapter. So this was it, dear students. Thank you very much.